If you want to add or change keyboard language on OPPO Find X9 Pro, first of all, we're gonna go to Settings, scroll down over here to choose the System and Update option, and then proceed to Input Method. Then we're gonna go to Manage Keyboards, and then choose Gboard. Now over here we can go to Languages, and if you want to add a new language, of course, we can press Add Keyboard. Over here we can choose the language that we wish to add. So let's say we're gonna choose something like, I don't know, let's just choose, let's say, this language, why not? And we're gonna choose this one. Over here we can also apply a different layout. So if you want to choose a different layout, then of course you can do so quite easily. If you have more than one language, you also have the multilingual typing option. I'm gonna actually disable it. And then we can tap on Done. Tap on this pen in the upper right corner in order to, for example, change the order of these languages, or you can just select any of these languages that you don't want to have on your keyboard anymore, and you can tap on this trash icon in the upper right corner. Now, if you actually want to use more than one language, then once you open the keyboard, you should be able to switch the language quite easily. Now in this case, unfortunately, it seems that I don't have the language button, but we can press and hold our finger on the space in order to choose a different language. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to Settings, and over here let's open Preferences, and you should be able to find Language Switch Key. So we can turn this option on, and then we should be able to find this globe icon. So we can tap on this instead in order to switch to the next language. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.